Hi, Riley. I see your Patsy. Hi. Yeah, you're really trying to stand up. Hi. Oh, is that too much work? I know, you wish you could walk. Hey. Hi, kitty. Oh, is that too much work? Because I put your Patsy over there? Oh, you got it! Yay, Riley! You want to sit up and do patty cake now? Yay! Hey, Riley! Okay, come here. Turn and look at Mommy. You ready? Patty cake, baker's man. Let's see, where can I put this? Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, mark it with the B, put it in the oven for Riley and me. Yay! And there goes the Patsy.